Today, we're crocheting a baby blanket, also known as the ultimate gift that makes new moms cry, in a good way. Tissue box not included, but highly recommended. All you're gonna need is 7 skeins of the Premier Chunky Cotton yarn and an 8mm hook. This pattern can easily be modified to create whatever size project that you want. First, we're going to create our slip knot. I'm going to be chaining 50 today. To modify this, you're going to have an even number of chains. Once you complete your foundation chain, starting from the second chain on the hook, we are going to single crochet for 2 rows.
Just as a reminder, if you found this video helpful, like and consider subscribing. It really helps people that are learning how to crochet find my channel. That row is done and time to do our last row of single crochet. So school starts for me next week and I'm pretty sure I'm in full-blown denial about it because I have been aggressively crocheting as if my crochet is going to stop time.
Row 2 is now complete. So now we're going to do our popcorn row. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work to our left. We're going to do a single crochet into our first stitch. All right, now into the next stitch, we are going to do 4 double crochet. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna slide this out. You're gonna go your 4th down, insert your hook above it. And I'm not going in front, I'm going behind. Pull through both loops, just like this. That's our popcorn. And now I'm going to single crochet into this next stitch. And now we're going to do another popcorn. So we're just going to alternate doing a single crochet and a popcorn. And we're only doing this for 1 row at the beginning, and we're going to do it towards the end of our piece as well. So this is a very beginner friendly blanket. I think almost anyone could do this if you know how to double crochet and you know how to single crochet and you know how to chain. And we're going to do that all the way down, and we're going to end in a single crochet.
Just as a quick reminder, if you watched my last video, then you know I have officially started my Let's Crochet All Our Christmas Gifts Early so I don't have to panic during December challenge. So far I've made a laptop sleeve, which is technically for myself, but hey, teachers need gifts too. And this week I have made all the pieces to a cardigan. I didn't assemble it yet. And I'm probably gonna end up giving it to my sister. I was working on part of it and she was like, oh my god, I love the colors. Every time I see my sister, she always mentions that she wants me to make her a cardigan or something to wear. So that's probably gonna go to her. I made one more gift and it is the same pattern except a lot bigger, and I made it in pink. It's actually right behind me. It's a lot bigger. Let me just show you. So I made this. Go ahead and let me know what you'd make for a gift because I have a long list of people.
Go ahead and finish your row, and remember, single crochet at the end. And you're going to chain 1 and turn. Row 4 is going to be a single crochet row, so every stitch that you have, you're going to put a single crochet in. Now this row is done. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn our work to our left. Now we're going to do a double crochet in every stitch that we have, and we're going to repeat that row 24 more times, or however long you want your length to be. When you get ready to do your popcorn stitch again, you want to make sure that you have your popcorns facing you and they're not facing the back. Traditionally, you should be able to pop it in and out, but I think with this bulkier yarn, it just doesn't look as good. First skein done. Let's add another one. Little tip I found out, just tie your ends together and go ahead and crochet your tails in with your work. The first one I did, I attempted to weave them in and my yarn disintegrated on me. So when I do it this way, it's faster and it's easier. Another one done. I got 4 left. Right, I added my 4 more skeins and now I am ready to add the popcorn stitches. I am here to remind you again that you want your popcorn stitches to be on the same side of your blanket.
And now I'm going to go back to my popcorn stitch row. So I'm just going to show you a few of them just in case you forgot. So the first stitch you do needs to be a single crochet. Now we're going to do a popcorn stitch. So we're going to do 4 double crochets into the stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to insert our hook where the 4th one is, and then grab this, yarn over, pull through both, and then now in this next stitch I'm going to do a single crochet.
We got a nice little popcorn.
Yarn over, insert your hook, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, the last and final detail is 2 single crochet rows after your popcorn stitch. Weave in your ends and you're all done.
If you love this baby blanket and you want more cozy gift ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your favorite yarn hoarding friend. And if you're thinking, I wish I could crochet something cute for me, don't worry, I got you. Head over to my shrug video next. It's basically a baby blanket with sleeves. You're welcome.